My favorite, Jamu Tonic. Yum. Yan. Brekkie for day 1. Meron tayong fruit platter, muesli, then yung Jamu Tonic natin. As this one is nasi goreng with egg and sambal. Tapos ito yung veggie na nasi champur. Kain tayo! Tapos dito ko na-try yung mag-squeeze ng lime sa mga fruits. Iba yung lasang nabibigay niya. Mas lumalabas yung tamis. Ang kulot. Kain tayo! I ordered the veggie one kasi meron isang option, chicken. Sarap yan yung mga toasted garlic. This one naman is curry na tempeh. This one is tofu. Right? Ang healthy. Eggplant. Bean sprout. So, ito naman yung nasi goreng. So, fried rice with sun side up. May sides. And then, yung sambal. Yung pampasarap siya. Means number 2.